Hi, Love Notions friends. We are so excited to share our $5 Feature Friday pattern with you today. But first, I wanted to give you a little bit of a behind the scenes view of what it is like to work here at Love Notions. It is super fun. Tam and I come into work and it's just so fun to be engaging with our community and to be producing patterns that people love and really find value in. It is so fun to come in every day and get to sew. But one thing that happens as doing this job, as you can see, we're sitting in front of a computer a lot. And so that's kind of taken a toll on us these past couple months. And so we decided to introduce something fun into the workshop, and we got an exercise bike. It is so fun. We are loving taking the classes and getting a little bit of exercise in every day. And it's not easy, but it is certainly improving our energy level, and it's a great addition to the workshop. Definitely a perk being here. But obviously we need to talk about workout gear, especially workout gear that you can sew. So that's why today's $5 Feature Friday pattern is so perfect for this topic. We're going to be talking about the Resolution bottoms, which, by the way, just got a sizing update. So they are now available in sizes extra small to 5X. And today only they're $5. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about why I love the Resolutions bottoms. I'm gonna show you what my make and how I paired it and how I use it. And I'm also gonna tell you about some of the other tops that you can pair as workout gear using Love Notions pattern. So first, let's talk about the options that are included with the Resolution bottoms and why they make such a versatile pattern for not only going to the gym, but also being out and about in everyday life. So the pattern includes 5 views: joggers, straight leg yoga pants, boot cut yoga pants, plain leggings, and leggings with a moto panel. All of the views have 2 waistband options. You can do a super comfortable and quick yoga waistband, or you can do a contoured waistband, which has elastic embedded inside of it. There are also pockets available for both of the, or all of the views of the pattern. The yoga and the joggers have front slash pockets, and the leggings have a front hidden pocket. As for my make, I made the plain leggings with no pockets. I actually shortened them by about 6 inches, part of that at the knee and part of that just at the hem. I used a really nice quality compression double knit fabric that we had on hand. Of course, I paired it with the tank style Laundry Day tee, which is my go-to. I love the finishing on the neckline and the arms, and I love the way it fits at the bust, but then gives me lots of breathing room at the waist. I also love tying it in a knot so that it stays out of the way when I am working out. So besides the Resolution bottoms, what are some great patterns for athleisure or working out? Well, one of the things that is nice to use for athleisure is the Serenity plus the Resolution joggers. I made a really comfy sweatsuit that would be great for some more low-key workouts. I also think that the Constellation is the perfect topper for the Resolutions plus any other bottom layer, even if it's just a sports bra underneath. The Constellation is such a great handy top, especially if you're gonna go take a run outside or you need something to wear to and from the gym. Constellation with that big pocket is so handy. Now, I don't know about you, but some people really like to have something a little bit looser, especially around the stomach area. when they're working out. And the Lotus Blossom Blouse is such a great pattern for that. It has a unique design with a twist at the bottom, but it's got a comfortable, loose style that makes it easy as a workout top, like for yoga or to do anything that's a little bit more low impact. I love wearing my Lotus Blossom with just a pair of leggings, and I am set to do anything. Another Love Notions choice for workout wear is the game day jersey. There are options for adults and kids, and it's great for supporting a team, working out with a team, or even being a part of a team sport like a kickball group or something. The Love Notions game day jersey has lots of neckline options, and even if sewing is your only sport, it is a great pattern to go to. If you're looking for a bottom layer with support, the Summer Basics tank with the built-in bra is exactly what you need. Now, most of the time people use it as a dress, but with that built-in bra, adding it to the tank makes the perfect bottom layer for putting underneath a looser outer layer, or just wearing on its own. Thanks for hanging out while we talked about sewing, workout, wear with Love Notions patterns. Be sure to take a look at the Resolution bottoms that have just been updated and are on Feature Friday sale today. Happy working out and sewing!